unsecured objects and a few power
This is
outages may
Scoggett,
result.
and I'm at another
Winds
location
strong
right
can
now,
make driving
and
difficult, especially for
we're still getting
high-profile vehicles.
a thunderstorm
Use
with a lot of
extra
wind.
caution. This is a high wind warning for the following counties.
You can see it. You can see the trees. Wind blowing the trees right there, and the wind is getting up pretty high.
50 to 60 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour.
It's supposed to have 75 mile per hour gust in
Northwest
this.
winds 25 to 35
It's not 75
miles per
yet.
hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected.
I'm on a school ground.
Crosby, Garza, Lubbock, and Lynn counties. Wet for the high wind warning until 7 p.m. this evening. For the wind advisory until 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts. High winds may move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Lubbock and vicinity. Tonight, windy, colder, mostly clear. Patchy
Looks like it's just a
early
lot
in
of
the
rain
evening.
now, and the wind.
Northwest winds 15 to 30
You can see the wind blowing across the road there,
20 miles an hour after midnight.
and the trees moving.
Sunny.
But
Highs in the upper 60s.
wind's picking up.
West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tuesday night, breezy. Mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain after midnight. Lows in the upper 30s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, shifting to the northeast 15 to 25 miles an hour after midnight.
This is Scoggett. I'm going to go ahead and head back home. My battery's getting really low, and it's fixing to run out. So there's nothing I can do. Got me another better video, a better camera on order, and as soon as it comes in, we're going. Oh, it's going to be fantastic. It's got a 57 zoom in it, so I can really catch these storms from a distance and bring them in close. This is Scoggett. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. Time for me to go home and make supper, and my battery's getting low. What can I do? Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I say, I live for this weather. I really do. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Y'all stay safe and take care.